Hi guys, here's how to install the Fire TV app. First, scroll across to the settings cog. Then down to My Fire TV. Then Developer Options. Then, Install Unknown Apps. Then scroll to Unlinked and make sure it's turned on. Click back to the home screen. Then scroll across to the apps icon. It's the three squares with the plus sign. Navigate to the unlinked icon. Then scroll across to the FTC app. Click to download. Click again to install. Install. Now scroll across to the VLC app and follow the same process. In case you didn't know, Unlinked is our app store. You should come here to update any of your apps. Install. Back to the home page again. Now scroll to Settings. Down to My Fire TV. Developer Options. Install Unknown Apps. Scroll to FTC. Scroll to FTC and turn on. Back to the home screen, once again. Scroll across to the apps icon. Click and navigate to the new FTC icon, but don't click. On your remote, click the three-line button. Then scroll down to move to front. See how that puts it on the home page? You can do that for any of your favorites. Go ahead and open the app. Leave it on TV and save. Enter anything you like in the first line, your name is fine. Then, your user login, you should have received these details from your admin. As a tip when entering these, you can use the three-line button, also known as the hamburger button, to switch between upper and lower case. Now password. It's also important to know that there is no letter O in either the user or password codes, only zeros are used, to avoid confusion. Click Add Playlist. Now just some settings to do. Scroll across the top to your name. down to Settings. Click on General Settings. Untick the top option. Then scroll down and Save Changes. Scroll back across to your name. Settings. Navigate to Player Selection. Then up to the top and click Add Player. Scroll to VLC. Click Add. Then scroll down to Catch Up and click. Select VLC from the list. Click Back. Navigate to Automation. Change from 2 days to 3 days. Save changes. Click back on Remote to the Fire TV screen. And that's it, you're done. Just need to click on each cell to download their content. I think my job here is done. When you want to leave the app, just click back on your remote a few times. Happy viewing.